As you learned previously in this class, while in surface mode you can access the Atom 3.0 pre-dive planning sequence. This is the tool that allows you to plan the maximum bottom time for your dive based on the expected depth. Oceanic strongly recommends that you review the pre-dive planning sequence prior to every dive. This is especially important for repetitive dives when the pre-dive planning sequence indicates adjusted dive times based on residual nitrogen or oxygen accumulation. The pre-dive planning sequence provides a sequence of theoretical dive times available for depths ranging from 30 to 190 feet. To access the pre-dive planning sequence from surface mode, press the Advanced button until you see the plan lead-in display. Let's look at the plan lead-in display when diving air. This display contains the following information: PZ plus icon if in use, message plan, FO2 setting, and tank in use icon. Press the select button to enter the pre-dive planning sequence. Then press the Advanced button to increase the plan depth, or the Mode button to decrease the plan depth. When diving air, the pre-dive planning sequence display contains plan depth value, dive time allowed with NDC icon, FO2 setting, and tank 1 icon. Note that the pre-dive planning sequence applies only to gas 1 and takes into consideration the algorithm being used and the conservative factor. Also note that the planning mode takes into consideration information from previous dives, such as residual nitrogen, dive profiles in a series of repetitive dives, and oxygen toxicity when diving nitrox. Another way to plan your dives with the Atom 3.0 is to use the DivePal app. As mentioned in Module 1 when you enrolled in this class, the Atom 3.0 was automatically added to your DivePal profile. With the basic version of DivePal, you can easily plan a dive by simply drawing a multi-level profile, then analyze it. You can also use DivePal to see the Atom 3.0 in action during a simulated dive. To plan a series of dives, you will need to get the full version of DivePal, so you can see the effects of residual nitrogen from subsequent dives. Press Next at the bottom of the screen.